Peake shared the secrets of planet Earth's energy with us. Surprisingly, it's mushrooms. So we asked AI how to save energy like a mushroom. It suggested we embrace the darkness. While life rests, mushrooms thrive in the dark. Underground, huge fungal networks stretch for miles, shifting their energy across entire ecosystems. They're nature's energy grid. But how does this help you save on your energy bills? Well, just like mushrooms, we can shift our energy use to off-peak hours and make smart savings. With our Next Smart Saver tariff, you can unlock cheaper off-peak electricity 21 hours a day, every day. From swapping the peak dinner time rush for batch-cooked meal plans, to unwinding over prime time by trading the TV for a good book. Every shift you make helps to keep the grid in balance and your bills in check. Harness natural wisdom for smart savings. Discover Next Smart Saver at eonnext.com/smartsaver.